This is biomass gasifier from Manglam Gasifier Company, a compact system of 3 lakh kilocalories per hour. This system converts biomass like wood chips into a gas, and that gas travels through the pipeline inside the factory to different sweet bhattis. Now we are inside the factory. As we can see, different sweet bhattis are working with the help of gas which is coming from biomass gasifier. So earlier this company was using diesel as a fuel in all the bhattis. Now we have successfully replaced diesel completely, and they are saving huge fuel cost up to 70%.